Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial videos about Photoshop. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reduce the image file size and convert it for your website, because if you have heavy pictures the load time of your website will be increased. So better is we decrease our images size. If for example I open an image here, for example this photo, as you can see, normally if I want to save it normally with JPEG format, if I save it with JPEG format with name, for example 11, uh, its size will be about, as you can see, it's about 328 megabytes. But for inserting in my website and having a short time load, better is I convert it and save it as web format and reduce its size. For reaching this goal, I go to File menu on Photoshop and select this menu, Save for Web. In this option, as you can see, this picture with, for example, medium or high quality, for example, medium quality, will be about 385 kilobytes. Okay, and if I save it here with another name, we can see that this picture, its size is about 386 kilobyte, and it's the best way for reducing your image size, and it's very good to use in your website, and having low size images for better load time. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Just remember, for supporting my channel, subscribe and leave your beautiful comments. Thank you. Goodbye.